Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rocky Hill local and long-distance movers near me. A relocation that is more than 50 miles is a long-distance relocation. At 3 Movers, we handle long-distance relocation with ease. Our movers are expertly trained to provide full-service moves, covering the sorting, packing, and moving processes. You can also decide to handle the sorting and packing yourself if you don't want a full service. We also offer concise and clear moving tips and suggestions on the types of boxes you'll need for specific household items. We handle your belongings with care throughout the trip to your new place. Our drivers also know the best time of the year to execute a move such that you'll not experience any stress. We have all the essential insurance coverage for long-distance movers, including general liabilities, cargo, and auto insurances. These insurances allow us to settle any damages or property loss if they occur during the transfer process. 3 Movers offers the best local moving services in Rocky Hill. Sometimes, people choose to manage part of their relocations by making several trips to their new home and then hiring moving companies to move big furniture like a piano. Usually, this means the client will pay per hour. You can hire us for your local moving services per hour. We charge between $30 to $40 per hour, which is lower than the national average. We can also handle packing and loading for local moves and plan the entire relocation if you desire. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rocky Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.